In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payhip with PayPal for receiving payments. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Payhip store linked directly to your PayPal account so you can start getting paid smoothly and securely. I'll walk you through each screen and explain what you're seeing so you know you're in the right place at every step. First, log into your Payhip admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, choose Settings. This takes you to your main settings area where you can control how your store behaves. On the settings page, look along the top for a row of tabs. Find the tab labeled Payment Details and click on it. This is where you manage how you receive money from your customers. Give the page a second to load and then you'll see different payment options available. Within the Payment Details section, look for the PayPal option. On the right side of the PayPal row, you'll see a Connect button. Click that. A pop-up window will appear on your screen asking you to enter your PayPal email address. This should be the email linked to the PayPal account where you want to receive your funds. Carefully type in your PayPal email, then click Continue. The pop-up will reload, and you'll see a message saying that your Payhip account will be connected with the PayPal account you just entered. To move forward, click the button that confirms your PayPal account. This tells Payhip you're happy to link the two. Next, the pop-up will refresh again, and now you're on the standard PayPal login screen. Here, you'll be asked to enter your PayPal email or your mobile number along with your PayPal password. Fill in those details exactly as you would when you log into PayPal normally, then click Login. Sometimes PayPal may ask for an extra security check. If that happens, you'll see options such as getting a code by email, by text message, or by another secure method they offer. Choose the method that's most convenient for you, then click Next. Wait a few moments for the 6-digit code to arrive, then type that code carefully into the field provided and click Submit. Once everything has been verified, the page will reload, and you should see a confirmation message letting you know that you're all set. At this point, your Payhip account is successfully connected to your PayPal account, and you're ready to start receiving payments from your customers through PayPal.